The liver is an incredibly important organ that plays a crucial role in our overall health. It is responsible for detoxification, metabolism, and the storage of essential nutrients. In this video, we will explore the 5 best foods for liver detoxification. 1. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and arugula are excellent choices for liver detoxification. These vegetables are rich in chlorophyll, a powerful antioxidant that helps neutralize harmful toxins and heavy metals in the liver. Additionally, they are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that support liver health and enhance its natural detoxification processes. Incorporating leafy green vegetables into your diet can provide your liver with the necessary nutrients to function optimally. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are well known for their detoxifying properties. These vegetables contain compounds called glucosinolates, which assist in activating enzymes that aid in the liver's detoxification pathways. Additionally, cruciferous vegetables provide a good source of fiber, which helps eliminate toxins from the body through regular bowel movements. 3. Garlic. Garlic is not only a flavorful addition to many dishes but also a potent liver detoxifying food. It contains sulfur compounds like allicin, which have been shown to activate liver enzymes involved in detoxification processes. These compounds help the liver eliminate toxins from the body effectively. Garlic also supports the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that protects liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Lastly, garlic possesses anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the liver, promoting its overall health and function. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice commonly found in curry dishes, contains an active compound called curcumin. Curcumin has been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. It helps reduce inflammation in the liver, preventing damage and promoting its overall health. Curcumin has also been found to promote the regeneration of liver cells, helping the liver recover from damage and maintain its optimal functionality. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants that neutralize harmful free radicals and protect liver cells from oxidative stress. These antioxidants help improve liver function and support its natural detoxification processes. 5. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as lemons, oranges, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports liver health and protects it from damage caused by free radicals. It also helps in the production of collagen, a protein that aids in the repair and regeneration of liver cells. Citrus fruits stimulate the production of liver detoxification enzymes, which play a vital role in the breakdown and elimination of toxins from the body. They enhance the liver's ability to detoxify harmful substances effectively. Citrus fruits are also a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. This helps in the elimination of toxins from the body and supports overall liver health. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below. Thanks for watching and remember to stay healthy.